How does COVID-19 spread? People can catch COVID-19 from others who have the virus. The disease is spread primarily from person to person through small droplets from the nose or mouth, which are expelled when a person with COVID-19 cough, sneeze, or speak. These droplets are relatively heavy, don't travel far, and quickly sink to the ground. People can catch COVID-19 if they breathe in these droplets from person infected with the virus. This is why it is important to stay at least 1 meter away from the other. These droplets can land on object and surface around the person, such as doorknob, table, and handrail. People can become infected by touching their eyes, nose, and mouth. This is why it is important to wash your hands regularly with soap and water or clean with alcohol-based hand rub. Can COVID-19 be caught from a person who has no symptoms? COVID-19 is mainly spread through respiratory droplets expelled by someone who is coughing or has other symptoms such as fever or tiredness. Many people with COVID-19 experience only mild symptoms. This is particularly true in the early stage of disease. It is possible to catch COVID-19 from someone who has just a mild cough and does not feel ill. Some reports have indicated that people with no symptoms can transmit the virus. It is not yet known how often it happens. How can we protect others and ourselves if we don't know who is infected? Practicing hand and respiratory hygiene is important at all times and is the best way to protect others and yourself. When possible, maintain at least a 1 meter distance between yourself and others. This is especially important if you are standing by someone who is coughing or sneezing. Since some infected person may not yet be exhibiting symptoms or their symptoms may be mild, maintain a physical distance with everyone is a good idea if you are in an area where COVID-19 is circulating.